Alright, listen up. I'm not here to sell you dreams. I'm just like you. Right in the middle, and the only way from here is up. I'm not a guru. I'm not flexing a Lambo telling you to just believe. No, I'm Mr. Middle, smack dab in the middle of everything, and that's fine. You have to be average before you can be great. Every new year, people scream the same thing. This is my year, except it wasn't. Not in 2023, not in 2024, and spoiler alert, it won't be in 2025 either, unless you actually do something about it. I'm not here to motivate you. Motivation is cheap. It's like caffeine. Quick buzz, then you crash. I'm here to give you a wake-up call because I know you've been trying. Kind of. You set goals. Big, vague ones like, I want to be better. Better at what? Be specific. You say you don't have time? That's funny. You had time to rewatch The Office. Time to scroll for hours. Time to lie in bed. Thinking about how you don't have time. You do have time. You just suck at using it. Let's do the math. 24 hours in a day. Sleep 8, which you don't. Work or school 8. Existing 2. That leaves 6 hours. Where do they go? If you can't answer that without stuttering, there's your problem. And before you say, but Mr. Middle, life is hard. Yeah, it is. The world doesn't care about your energy. You have to align yourself with reality. Being average is a blessing in disguise. Back in school, this guy, let's call him Chad, told me I was too average to make something of myself. So I looked him dead in the eye, lifted my middle finger, and said, I'm in the middle. That means I can go up. But you already peaked, buddy. Haven't heard from Chad since. Okay, next, let's talk about the grind. Success is boring. It's waking up early. It's skipping the party to finish that project. It's putting in work when nobody's clapping for you. The grind isn't supposed to be fun. It's supposed to be necessary. Now you may ask, what about balance? Balance is a scam. You can't have work, life, growth, rest, social life, and hobbies all perfectly balanced. If you want something badly enough, something else has to give. That doesn't mean burnout, but it does mean prioritizing like your future depends on it, because it does. And before you start feeling too inspired, let me hit you with one last painful question. Are you really trying? Or are we going to have this same exact conversation next year?